Keerthy Suresh had worn this beautiful wing liner and I really wanted to recreate it for you. I also wanted to teach you how to create this beautiful everyday easy eye look with just a few steps. So if you're interested, grab a few brushes and let's get started with today's video. To start off, we need to fill in our brows, and this time I'm using the e.l.f. brow pencil, and for the first step, I'm brushing the brow hair down. The reason I'm doing it is so that we can see what patches need filling up. Don't forget to blend it all in. Always create hair-like strokes for that perfect natural brow. To seal the brows in place, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Lamination Gel. This helps set the brows in place all day, and you can also wear it to work. It won't make your brows too sticky. For concealer, I'm using the House Labs one in the shade 30 Medium Peach. I find this to be pretty hydrating on my eyes and it doesn't separate out the eyeshadow. With the Urban Decay palette and the shade Buck on the Refer 01 brush, which is a tapered but flat brush, let's apply that to the eye. You can see I'm packing on the eyeshadow instead of blending it out. This will give you more pigment and you'll have to do less work too. Back in with the same shade, we are going to be building up the color again. These shadows are very easy to blend. With the shade Naked and with the Refer 13 brush, which is a small but fluffy brush, blend that into the crease. We need small brushes for hooded eyes. Back in with the same shade, blend that even more into the skin tone. With the shade Buck, apply that to the bottom lash line. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content, so please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. With the shade Smog on your finger, apply that to the entire lid. Tap it on for more pigment. Back into the same shade, let's go ahead and apply a second layer. Your eye should look something like this now. With the Inglot AMC Gel Eyeliner, we're going to start carving out the wing. You can use a flat eyeliner brush for this. And now bring that onto the upper eyelid. Start filling in the gap. I'll also be showing you how to do a quick inner corner technique eyeliner look. I had to change my brushes because the previous one had dried up a bit. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. I want you to just extend the upper lash line directly in the way it is. Pull that out very slightly. It should look something like this. And now merge it onto the bottom lash line. And now with the Pixie Silky Eye Pen, let's apply that on the waterline. And don't forget to tightline. With the shade Buck and a smudging brush, apply that to the bottom lash line. This is preparing you for the next black eyeshadow. It should look something like this. And now with any black eyeshadow you have at home, apply it like I am. Look at how stunning this eye is already looking. Now remove any fallout with a spoolie brush. And then apply your liquid concealer and blend that out on the skin. This helps clean out any mess that any eyeshadow would have caused. I like using a sponge for a more natural look. Curl your lashes. I am doing it at least 3 times to give it more length. Now with the Patrick Ta Major Volume Mascara, I'm going to be applying at least 2 to 3 coats on the lashes. It depends what kind of look you're going for. Don't forget your bottom lashes. And there you go guys, this is Keerthy Suresh's beautiful, smoky, sultry look, whatever you like to call it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.